Hi guys, this is Igor. Today is December 31st, 2019, last day of the year and last trading day of the year. And for those who are new, I provide my market commentary and my stock picks for the day. And here's what's happening today. Pretty much no major news except for Peter Navarro saying to CNBC that the trade deal is in the bank and they're waiting for a translation of the 80-page or 89-page document into Chinese. So he also mentioned that the trade deal was actually the deal that Chinese walked out on before. That includes IP theft and U.S. Banks, financials opening, actually participating in China. So that's good news again for technology companies and financial companies, U.S. financial and technology companies. So here's what's happening in terms of stocks. Boeing actually settled with one of the airlines. This time it's Turkish Airlines. The sum reportedly is about 250 million, which is generally a good news for airlines, but I mean, so-so news for Boeing because they have allocated money to settle with airlines, and it needs to be seen if this tab that they have allocated for settlement will be enough to settle with all airlines. So Boeing stock doesn't look very hot, and as I was expecting it, it's trading down, and I think it's gonna test the 2020 area once again. Not today, maybe, but in the next few days. So we'll see what happens. I mean, 2020 area, 320 area is very strong area of support, and it bounced off that support before. So we'll see what happens later. So airlines I like today because of the settlement with Turkish Airlines by Boeing, and also oil is down today. So um today I like the airlines, but generally see UAL is not technically very very hot. It's not trading very good because it looks like it's going lower. So I'm just reviewing airlines here, and Delta Airlines, I don't know, looks also a little bit off, but we'll see. We'll see. I mean, it's good news for airlines in terms of oil being down and Boeing settling things, but technically they have a long way to go. Another stock and the hero of yesterday is NIO. NIO is a Chinese company that produces electric vehicles. It's called Tesla, Chinese Tesla, basically. So they reported less loss than expected yesterday, and higher revenues, and they were up like 58 or 60% yesterday. And I was recommending it yesterday actually to trade this up, and it's up again pre-market. I wouldn't be so optimistic about NIO. So if you're up a lot, I would rather sell it because they're still losing a lot of money, and it could be a dangerous area. I mean, I'm sure they will get financing from Chinese government because Chinese government doesn't seem like they will let them fail, but they're losing a ton of money every quarter. So be careful with this one. I wouldn't stay too long in that stock. Okay. Another stock is Sina. Actually, it's actually symbol SINA. It's another Chinese company, and it's been beaten down, as you can see on the chart, a lot. And they just announced that they will initiate another 500 million repurchase program, share repurchase program, and this could be good news for the stock. So I expect this to trade up today, and we'll be looking at the to buy either stock or calls. And the last stock that I'm looking today is FCEL. Okay, FCEL is the uh, biogas. It's like it's an energy company, pretty much, that uses renewable energy, but also in combination of gas. And they have reported of opening and starting a new biogas plant. They've been up a number of sessions for the past several days, and it's up today. But it's trading pretty high, so I wouldn't be so hot about it. I mean, I don't recommend either buying or selling the stock. I would just watch it because it's very high in my opinion, and it could come down very quickly. So that's it. That's the wrap. Happy New Year, and I'll see you next year. Bye.